Hey guys, I'm on the pirate ship again. And Tam was supposed to be here, but I guess not. I was supposed to go upside down, and I'm right here. Isn't this
Disney Store stuff?
I know. Oh my god, I'm gonna go upside down. It's gonna be so much amazing. I've been on a ride so much like this, and I loved it so much. Upside down, yes.
I'm not going to make a donation because I give you
Like
thumbs
5.
Yes, your shop is sucky.
7.
Let's take a look at
8,
the shop.
9.
It's literally
10, 11.
Yep, this shop is
12.
But this is what I like about this shop. You can go back here.
Thanks, people, and I'll be back when I'm in the gift shop. So I'm here at the gift shop. And I'm probably gonna give it a thumbs up. I mean, no, thumbs up sometime. Oh.
This area is restricted.
Mm.
You're gonna go in the restricted area.
Good job. Okay, anyway, we're gonna go in the other gift shop.
How is the entrance restricted?
Maintenance. It's the same thing, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys give it a like, subscribe, follow me on my Roblox account at gymnastamaze1663, and friend me, and I will accept. Bye.